Permaculture is more than just gardening, it's a way of life. It's about working with nature, not against it. Imagine a garden that not only produces food, but also enhances the environment. This is the essence of permaculture, a sustainable and self-sufficient approach to gardening and living. Permaculture gardens are designed to mimic the intricate relationships found in natural ecosystems. By observing nature's patterns and cycles, permaculture gardeners create harmonious spaces where plants, animals, and humans thrive in interconnected ways. Instead of relying heavily on external inputs like chemical fertilizers and pesticides, permaculture emphasizes natural methods. This holistic approach leads to healthier, more resilient gardens that are both productive and aesthetically pleasing. Let's delve into some key principles of permaculture and discover how they can transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem. Composting is the heart of a permaculture garden. It's a natural process that transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into a rich, earthy material called compost. Compost is like black gold for your garden. It improves soil structure, making it loose and airy, allowing roots to grow easily. Compost also adds essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. Think of it as a slow-release fertilizer that nourishes your plants naturally. Creating a compost pile is simple. Start with a mix of green materials like grass clippings and kitchen scraps, and brown materials like dried leaves and twigs. The green materials provide nitrogen, while the brown materials provide carbon. These elements work together in the decomposition process. Keep the pile moist and turn it occasionally to provide oxygen. Over time, the materials will break down into rich, dark compost. Permaculture encourages us to see waste as a resource. Instead of throwing things away, we can find creative ways to reuse them in the garden. Old pallets can be transformed into vertical gardens, providing space for growing herbs and vegetables. Plastic bottles can be used as mini cloches to protect young seedlings from frost. Even old newspapers can be used as a weed barrier or to make seed pots. By reusing materials, we reduce waste and minimize our environmental impact. It's a resourceful way to garden and saves money too. Get creative and see what treasures you can find around your home to repurpose in your garden. Section 4. Seed saving, preserving heritage, ensuring abundance. Collecting seeds from your garden is a rewarding practice that connects you to the cycle of life and saves money. It allows you to preserve unique plant varieties and ensures that you have a supply of seeds for the following year. Start by selecting healthy, robust plants from your garden. Allow the fruits or seed pods to fully mature on the plant before collecting them. Extract the seeds and allow them to dry thoroughly in a cool, dry place. Store the dried seeds in labeled envelopes or jars in a cool, dark location. Properly stored seeds can remain viable for several years. Seed saving is a testament to the permaculture principle of self-sufficiency, allowing you to become the custodian of your garden's future. Section 5. Watery havens: how ponds enrich the permaculture ecosystem. Water is life, and incorporating a pond into your permaculture garden brings numerous benefits. Ponds attract beneficial wildlife like frogs, dragonflies, and birds, which help control pests and pollinate plants. The water itself becomes a valuable resource for irrigating your garden. The presence of water creates a microclimate, moderating temperatures and increasing humidity. This can be especially beneficial in drier climates. Section 6. Nourishing life: the power of organic feed in permaculture. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. Organic feeds, such as compost tea and worm castings, provide essential nutrients in a form that plants can easily absorb. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can harm beneficial soil organisms, organic feeds enhance soil fertility. They promote healthy microbial activity, which is essential for nutrient cycling and disease suppression. By feeding the soil, we nourish the entire garden ecosystem, resulting in healthier, more productive plants. Section 7. Conclusion: reaping the rewards of a permaculture garden. Permaculture gardening offers a multitude of benefits, from producing abundant food to fostering biodiversity and conserving resources. By embracing permaculture principles, we can create gardens that are not only beautiful, but also sustainable and resilient. From composting to seed saving, every practice in permaculture is interconnected, working in harmony with nature's rhythms. As you embark on your permaculture journey, remember that it's a continuous process of learning and adapting. Observe your garden closely, embrace diversity, and let nature be your guide. With patience and dedication, you can create a permaculture garden that provides nourishment for both body and soul.